Running an online business can feel like trying to keep a dozen plates spinning at once. You need to build a website, manage email campaigns, create landing pages, sell products, and somehow find time for marketing. It's overwhelming. And let's face it, the market is flooded with software claiming to be the ultimate all-in-one solution for all your business needs. But most of them, they fall short. That's why today we're diving into System.io, a platform that's been making waves with its bold promise. All the tools you need to run your online business. And get this, they're available on a completely free plan. Skeptical? So was I. But after giving it a test run, I'm here to provide you with the full breakdown. Let's see if it's worth your time. Before we get started, check out the link in the description below. You can try System.io for free and follow along as we explore its features. Let's start with the basics. System.io's free plan includes a staggering number of features. You can build complete sales funnels, manage email campaigns with ease, design websites and blogs, sell digital and physical products, create and launch online courses, run your own affiliate program, and handle invoicing and payments. This is an impressive toolkit for a free plan, but the real question is, how well do these features actually perform? Let's break it down, starting with the core tools. Funnel Builder. System.io's Funnel Builder, the heart of the platform, is a delight to use. Everything is laid out in a clean, easy to navigate interface. On the left-hand side, you can see your funnel steps, stats, and options for automation or A/B testing. Need to create urgency? You can set deadlines for offers and automatically redirect customers when a sale ends. The drag and drop editor is intuitive and user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, you'll feel right at home. Adding sections, rows, and elements like text, images, and forms is straightforward, and you can switch between desktop and mobile views to ensure everything looks great on any device. Email marketing. Email marketing can be tricky, but System.io makes it simple. Their tools let you create automated sequences, schedule emails, and add delays or conditions to personalize your campaigns. Everything you need is easily accessible in the sidebar, so you're never hunting around for options. What's more, you can tag contacts, segment lists, and create workflows to ensure your emails reach the right audience at the right time. This tool is a lifesaver if you're running lead magnets or nurturing potential customers. Blogging. For content creators or businesses wanting a blog, System.io has you covered. While it's not as feature-rich as WordPress, it's perfect for those who need a straightforward solution. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate content, slot it into templates, and publish directly without leaving the platform. If your blog is a supporting piece of your business rather than its centerpiece, System.io's blogging feature is more than capable. Automation. Here's where System.io shines. Automation workflows. You can set triggers and actions to streamline your business processes. For example, when someone buys a product, they're automatically added to a specific email campaign. If someone registers for a webinar, they're redirected to a thank you page and receive a follow-up email. These automations are seamless, and because everything is on the same platform, there's no need for additional tools like Zapier. It's efficient and user-friendly, even for beginners. Online courses. If you're in the e-learning space, System.io's course creation tools are a game changer. You can add videos, modules, quizzes, and progress tracking in a clean, professional interface. It's simple to use but delivers results that look polished and high-end. And the best part? System.io doesn't take a cut of your course sales. Unlike other learning management systems, LMS, that chip away at your profits, what you earn is entirely yours. For creators on a budget, this is a huge win. Pricing plans. System.io's free plan is indeed generous, but if you're looking for more advanced features, their paid plans start at just $27 per month. This is a steal compared to competitors, offering a budget-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on quality. It's a reassuring feeling to know that you can access these advanced features without breaking the bank. For most users, the free plan is more than enough to get started, but as your business grows, you might find the need for additional features. This is where System.io's pay-as-you-grow model comes in. You only invest more when you're ready to scale, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. System.io also offers excellent customer support with a knowledge base, tutorials, and a responsive support team ready to assist you. So does System.io live up to its promises? Absolutely. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some premium platforms, it delivers simplicity, functionality, and affordability where it matters most. Whether you're a solopreneur starting out or a seasoned business owner looking for a streamlined solution, System.io is worth checking out. If you're ready to see for yourself, click the link in the description below to get started for free. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish without spending a dime. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips, tools, and strategies to grow your online business. See you in the next video.